Hi everyone, this is how to replace your filter in your Torus water bowl. The replacement filter comes in a pack of 5. Each filter lasts approximately 1 month. Simply remove the cap, take out the old filter and discard. Your new filter will need to be rinsed under the tap for approximately 10 seconds. This reduces any residue carbon. Replace the filter and the cap and turn to dispense or lock depending on what function you require. Torus does not require batteries or a power source and comes with a 12-month warranty. Torus, smart thinking for pet drinking.